Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm going to do a quick run through of all the birthday cards I made in September. Look at that stack. Quite a few of them. I think I have them in order, but I might not. I will link the playlist in the description box in case you want to take a look at them, like the individual videos. So there's the first one. Well, again, I guess I shouldn't say first, but I'm pretty sure this was the first. Hugs, kisses, and birthday wishes. Nice and sparkly and oh so cute. Heard you're having a birthday. That little cow paper gets me every time. Have an utterly fabulous day. Next up, we have the little owl with all the glossy accents. Love you. And then I hope your birthday is full of cake and balloons and love and laughter. In that embossing folder. It's fun to see them again. It's like I've made so many I've forgotten what I actually did. Oh no, I'm having a card avalanche. Okay, sending birthday wishes. And it's awful shimmery on her balloon. And just did that pattern paper behind it there. Excuse me. Happy birthday and more. I think I was definitely on a glossy accent spree. And then that Pinkamane touch of gloss as well once I tried it. I need to reposition these. Give me just a second. Sorry about that. They're all falling. Then I know I did have these two. Have the cat version and the dog version. Happy birthdays there. Let's potty. And then there's the cat. And heights of delights for your birthday. Yappy birthday. There's the inside. He's so cute. And that shaker. Happy, wonderful birthday wishes. Yes, I could sit and play all day. Shake, shake, shake. The best birthdays are spent with best friends. There's the inside. Wishing you the best birthday ever. Inside. This one makes me giggle every time. Hope your birthday doesn't suck. I love that fun paper that goes with that. Happy birthday. May you outlast your usual bedtime. There's that. Hope your birthday is one for the books. Excuse me. We have a slimline llama. Have a llama fun on your birthday. There you go. Happy Cake and Candles Day. In those pink and white. Just so fun. Mini slimline. Happy birthday to you. Glossy accents that got a lot of bubbles on that one. But it still looks cute. And then the little birthday bear. Happy birthday. So sweet. Happy birthday. Here's to another year of adventure. A birthday brew for you. Hooray for you. And then happy birthday on the inside. Happy birthday. Got the stickles and the touch of gloss. I can tell because it's nice and smooth and no bubbles. There's the inside. Oh, I must have had... Make a wish and blow out the candles. And you can see that wink or the Spectrum Noir sparkle pen on there. And this was the fun fold that was inspired by Crafty Owl's Oh So Inspired collab. My daughter's card says birthday wishes. Not going to share the inside because I stole it from her room and I've already written in it. Then it's your birthday. Have a roaring good time. That stamp and stencil combo that from that kit that Crafty Owl got me for my birthday that I just love. Cheers to you, birthday boy. Wishing you a day filled with all your favorite things. So, so fun. Then that stack of critters with those stickles and the touch of glass or glossy accents. Well, I don't know. It's your birthday. Let's celebrate you. Another shaker card. Big birthday wishes. Shake, shake, shake. It really is so pretty. Just some flags on the inside. And it was so easy. Ish. Happy birthday to you. That roller coaster and the Ferris wheel. And that carousel horse on the inside. Today we celebrate you. It's your birthday. Have a ball. She's on the inside. Very, very cute and sweet. Happy birthday from that little kitty and those fun balloons. There's the inside. And then the one that I shared yesterday, happy birthday, that's foiled and also a shaker. So, so fun. And there's the inside. All right, there are all my cards that I created in September. So crazy to me that I actually did it, that they're all, I mean, some used like the same stamp set, but they're all so different, I feel. And I feel like I showed lots of different styles, like the shakers, the no coloring, lots of coloring, of course, because I do love to color, but it was super fun. So thanks for stopping by and seeing just a recap of all of those cards. Like I've mentioned, October might not have as many videos. It might, I don't know. We'll see what I feel like. I am bringing back Saturday Showcase. Plus tomorrow I will have a short video up sharing the cards that I made other than birthday cards during the month of September. So until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.